Okay, welcome guys. In today's presentation, let me share presentation. So we start from the beginning. Company is called Trade Like Crazy. As the name suggests, it's a trading company combined with AI. AI is there to supplement the analysts. There's group of 20 traders. 4 of them are analyzing the market and supplementing their skills with AI. AI is a little bit more accurate, but still not in the point where it can execute trades for us, especially with a bigger capital. So they just use it to supplement their analysis. Okay. Pioneering venture founded by a group of seasoned traders that specialize in crypto arbitrage, futures trading, spot trading, and scalping. They humbly began its journey in a modest office space with a few traders that honed their skills to become world-class traders. Every single trader in the company has at least 7+ years experience. I know one of the traders. He's one guy from the country where I was born. I know this guy since like 2016, if I'm not mistaken. Purely trading guy, doesn't do much, doesn't do actually anything else, just trading since 2016. And I know this is a pretty powerful guy. Because of the one call actually that I received from him 2 years ago. At the moment I'm like 18x on one coin. You know, he gave me some private sale access for $10,000. I got in with $10,000 at the moment. I looked at the portfolio a few days ago. It's like 180k over the last 1.5 years. So you know, the point is, I know that I'm working with professional guys, and it's not only one trader there. They have a group of 20 different ones because they expect us, at least me, to repeat the success from 2017 2018 and build this company to billion+. And I know we can with some of the networkers that we have here already. Main key points of the company: risk management. That's why 20 different traders. At the moment, fund is not too big, just $few million. So $few million, the main trader Travis can manage, right? Like, he's generating extraordinary results. I'm gonna show you a little bit later. But we know what we can bring to these companies. It's not millions of dollars, not even tens of millions. Usually it's hundreds of millions, potentially billions of dollars. And they know one trader cannot have all of the assets under management. That's why they have a lineup of different professional traders in case when the fund starts growing larger. So there's no situation where one trader has all of the assets under management. When the fund is $100 million, they can spread the risk, and different traders will have parts of the capital under management. None of them touch capital per se. Capital is on the company's accounts, of course. They connect through API. So but the risk management strategy is there. It's in place. We don't have to worry what's going to happen when the fund grows to hundreds of millions of dollars. But the strategy over that, there's as well strategy for that. Okay, security. Each transaction never jeopardizes more than between 2 and 5% of the company's capital, employing minimal leverage to maintain delicate balance and mitigate potential losses. Every single transaction that we can see, and we can see every single transaction that main trader is doing, never crosses 5% of the company's capital. Usually it's 2 and 3%. Some of them are 5, but not many of them. I will show you later. Strategy, long-term strategy. The traders, all of them have at least 7 years experience, as I mentioned, and 80 or 90% of all of them actually trade together already since past 3 years. They are trading for private clients of our CEO, Armen. They were trading for private clients over the past 3 years together, and now they decided to open up to the public, open up to the market, because the vision grew larger. They decided to collect more capital, build community, and then build something bigger than they were doing. Because we know when the bull market comes, liquidity starts pouring in, and the liquidity is larger, so potential to generate profits is even bigger than during bear market. And these guys were even profitable during bear market. So when the bull market comes here, we know what usually happens in crypto, especially when the Bitcoin breaks all-time high. Everyone becomes a genius, everyone is master trader, everyone is like giving trading signals, and so on and so on. Okay, over the past 3 years, they were profitable on average 20% per month. 2023 was a little bit larger because some months were larger because crypto market started picking up. Some of the altcoins doubled, tripled, quadrupled. I have even larger ones in my private portfolio, and the traders were doing exactly the same. because 70% of the fund that they are actually trading with goes to the spot trading, which basically means investing in a good value project, not just purely leverage and crypto leverage, forex leverage, not like, you know, I call it gambling in a crypto. You know, leverage basically is a gambling in crypto because you never know for sure what's going to happen in this market. But nonetheless, they were profitable over the last years, 2023, more profitable because altcoin portfolio started picking up and they supplemented with leverage trading as well. 30% goes to leverage, 70% spot trading. In spot trading, for those of you who are not knowledgeable about crypto, in spot trading, we are not risking liquidation situation. In leverage, you can liquidate your account anytime. If you don't have a proper risk management strategy and stop losses and so on, liquidations happen every single day. In spot trading, if you invest in good value projects, the liquidation won't happen. The worst case scenario, the portfolio can go a little bit down when the market corrects. Okay, so very, very good situation for us because we know that the bull market is around the corner. If S&P 500 will start growing, and like most of the solid finance people think it will, because Fed cannot keep tightening monetary policy forever. They will start printing money soon. So once they start printing money, all of you know what happens. Most of you know way better than me what happens because most of you experience way more bull markets than I experienced in my life, okay? And that's what's about to happen in the next years. Synergy in effort, Trade Like Crazy has established itself as a prominent player in the futures market, deploying diverse strategies tailored to prevailing market conditions. Their skill set extends to both bullish and bearish trends, ensuring profitability regardless of market conditions. In my opinion, guys, and I guess for you would be exactly the same, if these traders were able to generate profits even during bear market, which is not easy. I'm not trader by any means. I invest when the bear market is there and I keep it for the long bull market, but I'm not trader. But I know every single trader that is able to pull out the profits of the market even during bear market will be even more profitable during bull market. You know, during bear market, there's not many good guys that can actually generate profits. And these people were able to generate profits consistently every single month. So, you know, these are not some random dudes from the street that they just started trading. You know, most of the people would lose in these markets. And we know exactly that in a financial markets, whether it's Forex, crypto, stocks, 90% of people loses. Okay, that's why we need professionals. Partners in the company, headquarters of the company is in Armenia. Armenia is a little country with 3 million people between Kazakhstan and Turkey, so European regions. And that's where basically we have the biggest teams growing at the moment in Eastern Europe, at the moment spreading to Central and Western, if we can call it Western Europe. London, just UK started growing pretty quick recently. We have North America, as you can see, we have lots of leaders coming in every single day. South America started growing, Asia a little bit slower because of the Lunar New Year. Africa and Russia is not explored just yet. Okay, so if some of you have a Russian contact, then the market is yours. Roadmap of the company. The network marketing side, I want to stress this, network marketing side started in Q4 2023. Company has been set up, public office opening in Armenia, and a pre-launch phase. Pre-launch phase happening until now, and it will happen until the open house event and leadership event in Armenia. What does it mean? For those of you who are producing leaders, the qualification won't be big, don't worry. Once you produce, a company will invite you, flight tickets paid, hotel paid to Armenia to meet the CEO, meet the CMO, meet master distributor, see the traders and see what the company is all about. The traders potentially see the trading, you know, that's the other thing. This company, when I ask them to show me the trading, zero problems. They're like, okay, just open the Bybit account and they show me that what's happening there, like zero problems, guys, which I was like very, very surprised because not many companies are as transparent on this one as this one, okay? The last one, Trade Talk Live event in Q1 is basically every single week we will have a trader come on a Zoom and show us some tips, trading tips, market insights, potentially show some trading and, you know, in general, do whatever traders do. Just educate us about trading. I'm not a trader, so I'm not gonna tell you exactly, but that's the goal. Every single week, one of the traders will come and give us some insights. The rest of the roadmap, all of you can read yourself. I want to go to the main point of the company, why the network marketing is here, why another company in crypto and ROI deal is, in network marketing model. We all know that they usually don't last, okay? All of us already learned the lesson that most of these companies just come and go. That's why these guys who are creating this company, they know exactly the same. Master distributor, already 10 years on the market, good friend of mine. Glenn mentioned, I know the guy since 2015. He went through 4 different companies, okay, over the last 10 years, just 4 companies. So I know the guy has at least long-term vision, and he knows, like, we cannot build this company forever, and they do not give us this bullshit. The goal for this company maximum is 18 to 24 months, maximum for network marketing, for MLM model, okay? After 18 to 24 months, once we have a community, once our fund is big, they cut entire MLM structure, which is, unsustainable for a longer period of time, and they transfer entire database, all of our funds, to copy trading platform. It's called the social copy trading platform. Some of you might already know eToro, the big platform available all over the world, operating since 2007. And the other one, big one that I know from Europe, is RoboForex, operating since 2009. Both of them are social copy trading platforms where traders can get listed. Company verifies their trading over the longer period of time, and then we as a clients, customers, we can choose which trader we want to connect to and copy his moves. The good part about social copy trading platforms is that capital is always under our control. We have capital on our own account, and we connect through basically kind of API, and we copy the moves of the traders. And that's basically the goal of this company, of Trade Like Crazy. With big community, once they have a big community, they transition and transfer entire data to social copy trading platform in, let's say, around 2 years, and then they can compete on the highest level. Because now to compete in a social copy trading platform world, it's very hard because you cannot implement MLM there. Usually there is like 1, 2, 3 levels affiliate, depending on the country. Usually it's 1 level because of the regulations. So it's very hard to build community. That's why this company starts from network marketing model, which is the easiest and the most efficient to build communities. And later with this entire community, they will transfer to this social copy trading platform, which has completely different model. Maybe 1, 2, 3 levels affiliate. Good for us that we will have our teams already there because the teams come with us. But the commissions won't be from deposits or like from a trading and stuff. The commissions in a copy trading platform comes from transaction fees, like on a proper brokerage, like it's supposed to be. And in this way, company can go for decades, and that's basically the plan. That's why RoboForex and eToro can operate for 1.5 decades almost, okay? Because there's nothing to collapse. If we have clients and we have a good traders on the platform, clients can can choose by themselves which trader they want to connect to, maybe some high risk trader, maybe some mid risk trader, conservative one, completely up to us. And then we will generate, and just like company will generate percentage and a fees from transaction fees that traders are executing. Okay, this model is way more sustainable than this one. But this one that I'm gonna show you now is the best for building communities, and we all know that. Mission of the company, ensuring trading results. I will show you trading results since beginning 2023. They copy all of the results from Bybit account. Bybit is a crypto exchange, tier 1 crypto exchange. For those of you in US, you don't know because it's not operating in US, but it's a really good crypto exchange. All of the results are under our disposal. Preservation and protection of the accounts. I mentioned they never jeopardize more than 5% per transaction. When the bull market comes, it's not necessary to risk big chunks of the capital, because even risking little parts, 2%, 3%, you can achieve extraordinary gains. And that's basically what they do. They cannot risk. They cannot afford to lose the community, because that's basically the goal. The last one, increasing the client base. With a loyal community, they can compete on the highest level in a copy trading platform world. And that was like the funny thing is this marketing master distributor, the friend of mine that I known since 2015. I remember like he kept repeating this copy trading platform since I know him, that his life goal to leave something for his kid, his son, is to build something that's gonna be sustainable, not this businesses, MLM and stuff, something. And he kept talking about this copy trading platform. And I guess now is the time. He finally started executing his vision with the CEO Armen, CMO, and they combined the beauty of two worlds. The network marketing model, they will have a solid community over the next 2 years, and then they will finally have something that can last long, not some bullshit like most of the companies come to the crypto, and we all know those, that they gather so much money that they don't know what to do with it, and all of a sudden they flop. Either they steal money or they lose money, because there's not many companies, and at least not many people in this world that can generate consistent results with big amounts of money, especially hundreds of millions or billions of dollars. If Ray Dalio and his Bridgewater generate like 10, maximum 20% per year, then how any company can tell you that they generate 20% per month, like with such a capital? It's impossible, okay? And they know that. That's why the plan. How do they work? Group of 20 traders, I mentioned that. They are experts in crypto arbitrage, futures trading, spot trading, and scalping. Company strategy is to achieve the best results by using between 2 and 5% on each transaction, ensuring the safety of the funds that the company trades with. Average monthly profit over the last 24 months, PDF is since from the end of 2023, from December, were between 15 and 30%. I tested this company since end of October. I dropped my own money. I dropped $100,000, and the results were in November 22%, and in December it was 18 because of Christmas time, New Year's Eve, and so on. This month it's getting close to 20%. So very, very consistent results every single month. I'm very, very happy how it works. No problems with withdrawals. Every withdrawal takes maximum 24 hours. Profits appear on our wallet 6 days per week. I will tell you later why. Consistently, like a clockwork. No certain time. There's no one time in a day that the profits come to us, because traders are executing trades. The profits come when the traders close the trades. Okay, we need to understand that it's a trading, right? So we cannot be like a robot that every single day will be the same. Now, packages that we can start from. $20 package, trial package. We can access every single market, whether it's Africa, India, some Philippines, the markets that don't have as much money as United States and Western world. Okay, so every single person can access with $20, and maximum package $25,000. You can buy as many packages as you want. As I mentioned, at the moment I have 5 packages, $25,000. One is about to expire, so 4 packages, $25,000. And then every single package can generate you 3x, which is 300%. If you have 10K package, you can make $30,000. If you have 25K package, you can make $75,000. Every single package, 3x. But because we have networkers here and the builders, we have a bonus. If you sponsor 5 people in a direct referral line, and those 5 people or more will have at least $5,000 volume, direct line at least $5,000 volume, you unlock bonus 4x, and every single package that you own will be able to generate for you 4x, which is 400%. So instead of 25K becoming 75, 25K can become $100,000. 10,000 can become $40,000, and so on and so on. You get the point. 400%. 5 people and $5,000 at least in a direct referral line. Now, how do we get paid? Because we have powerful networkers here, affiliates, probably influencers. We all want to get paid for the work that we are doing and help them build this community that they want so bad for this social copy trading platform. And we have amazing and very lucrative compensation plan. Starting from the first component of this compensation plan, Unilevel. We all know Unilevel. 15 levels down. Starting from the first level, 10%, second level, 7%, third level, 6%, fourth level, 5%, fifth level, 4%, and so on until 15 levels down. All combined, Unilevel takes 42%. Instant commissions directly to your wallet. You can withdraw every day, anytime you want, instantly. Okay, withdrawals take maximum 24 hours. You can withdraw your commission anytime you want. Okay. So very good, very good compensation plan. Easy, very easy to explain because most of the people already know Unilevel. Most of us already have been in the companies that Unilevel was part of. Okay, very simple to explain. 15 levels. Second one, matching bonus. For each person you sponsor, you will be paid a matching bonus on their earnings, 5 levels deep. On their earnings means 5 levels deep, you have a team, your team has packages, these packages are generating profit, you will be able to make percentage out of the profits, 5 levels down. Pretty straightforward as well. If your people on the first level are generating $100,000 every single month, you will get $10,000 on the top of it, 10%. And goes for all of the 5 levels down. That's second part. Now, the third one, a little bit sadder for all of us, but it needs to be here because we want this company to be long-term and sustain for longer period of time until they achieve their goals. We need one mechanism, making sure that this company has a potential to go for 2 years until they become this copy trading platform. And this mechanism is called daily earning cap. And the maximum daily earning cap from the package value are capped at 50% of the package you own. So every single package you own, you combine, you cut it half, and that's your daily max. If you have $100 package, the maximum daily you can make is $50. If you have $25,000 package, maximum daily will be $12,500. If you have 2 packages for $25,000, 50% is $25,000 daily. Companies already implementing bigger ones because we have a bigger investors coming and they don't want to buy multiple ones. They already ask for the package like 50K, 100K. So I know companies already in the works to implement that. Okay, so always 50% of the package you own. Monthly earnings between 15 and 30%. I said that last 24 months. So pretty good. And now the third component of this compensation plan, we have a rewards, especially for crypto people. Actually, this career plan, the master distributor came up with, because we all know how crypto people like rewards, and especially something to strive for. Even us, like, guys, why not? I'll go for the Lambo. And most of you probably would do the same. And this one kind of motivates people to work a little bit harder because they have a targets to reach. And starting from first one, Rising Star 150K turnover, we can get iPhone 15 or $1,300. Manager, $250,000 turnover. MacBook Pro or $2,500. Supervisor, $500,000 turnover. We can get Rolex Datejust or $20,000. And now more interesting ones for us. Director, $1.5 million turnover. We can get Audemars Piguet Royal Oak or $40,000. Chairman, $4 million turnover. We can get Audi RS7 or 130K. And for president, $10 million turnover. Lamborghini Urus or 350K. Very simple. The only thing about this career plan is that the entire turnover cannot come from just one leg. You need at least 2 legs, because maximum one leg can provide for this turnover is 50%. So always 50% from one, the strongest leg. And then you need other legs, at least one. Usually it's going to be probably more, because most of you will go wider, as I do, because we never know which team is going to blow up. Okay, so you go wider, so you don't have to worry. Just remember, entire turnover, not from one leg. Few important informations. Commissions and profit withdrawals are available instantly once they hit your withdrawal wallet. As I mentioned, every single day, anytime you want. Company generates profit from Forex 5 days a week and from crypto 6 days a week. Sunday is always off. Traders are human too, so they need a break. Trading is very taxing, so company gives them Sunday off. They don't have to trade on Sunday. I see sometimes they execute some trades, but it's like, it goes for the company's fund, just in case. But on Monday, there is no profit for us, okay? The profit on our account don't appear on Monday. The profits on our account start from Tuesday until Sunday. Traders start their job on Monday, they trade on Monday, and then the profits appear 24 hours later, which is from Tuesday until Sunday. Deposit method is USDT on Tron, TRC20, minimum $20. Deposit fee is $1 plus 1% because of the payment processor. Withdrawal method is USDT on Tron, TRC20. Withdrawal fee 2%, but never less than $2. So every single withdrawal will cost you at least $2. If it's bigger, 2%. Strongest leg cannot be more than 50%. That's for a career plan. And this one, really important, guys. I know how smart some of you are. That's our job as a networkers to, you know, position ourselves as best as possible in the compensation plans. But in this one, no multi-accounts, guys. We already have some people crying, but company is very straightforward about it. No multi-accounts. If they find, and they have a ways to find it, and they already did prove it that they have a ways to find it. If they find that you stack up accounts, you build under the last one, the accounts go basically ban, you know, and not that you're gonna lose money. The money is reverted to your wallet, but the entire structure is lost. So whatever you build around this account, it's gonna be lost, guys. That was the first thing I did. It's the company, okay? I created accounts. I'm gonna do this. You know, like all of us networkers, we all know what to do, right? Like we all want to maximize the compensation plan. That's what most of us professional networkers would do, but not in this company. No multi-accounts, guys. So remember about that, because later if you come to me that your accounts have been banned, I cannot do anything about it because I couldn't even do anything about my own. I have one account, and anyway, KYC will get implemented in the future. They have three or four different ways. I know they can check it through IP, device. The third way they didn't want to tell me, so something very risky. If we know it, maybe we could go around, but you know, I wouldn't risk it, guys. Let's be fair to our sponsors. Let's be fair to the company. Let's make one company actually last for 2 years, because we all know we deserve it. After such a garbage years in the crypto market over the last 2 years, we deserve good company. 3 simple steps. Get referral link from your sponsor and create an account. Second, make a deposit. And third one, buy a package. Once you do these 3 simple steps, you start generating profit 6 days per week, from Tuesday until Sunday. Very, very simple steps. We need those simple steps because the main goal of the company is to build community. And when the new people come to the crypto industry, when the Bitcoin breaks all-time high, for example, we know what's happening. Big influx of people, they need simple steps. So these steps couldn't be any simpler. You send them link, they create account, they make a deposit, USDT. You just need to guide them how to get USDT, depending on the country you're from, and they just get a package. And that's all. Very simple steps, easy to build community. Now, thank you in terms of the presentation. And there's one more thing, 2 more things I would like to show you, which I asked, and I know most of you would ask as well at the beginning, especially on the of the trading company. It's not crypto. It's crypto in, crypto out. Sure, deposits and withdrawals are in crypto, but it's not blockchain. It's not coin. It's not staking program. It's not anything related like to crypto building, right? We don't need specialized knowledge to verify smart contracts or a blockchain or that kind of stuff. Trading is pretty straightforward. Most of us would know what to ask for. First one for me was trading history. Guys, I need to know where were you profitable over the last years? Because if they weren't, like, why would I even put any money in? So they are okay. Let me show you my Bybit account. They open Bybit account. They show me Bybit account. I see, okay, wow, that's really, really good. So they provided the trading results from this Bybit account in this PDF, so they don't have to come here every single Zoom. But at the same time, they don't have a problem with showing it. When we go to Armenia, they said, yeah, just they don't want to do it on public Zoom from obvious reasons, security reasons. But when we go to Armenia, they said, yeah, like if leaders want to see it, like to be sure, then yeah, we're gonna show it. But anyway, I'll show you the results from last year, since beginning of 2023. You see, every single time I try to share the screen again, it's just pausing. I don't know why. Okay, once again. Okay, now, okay. Now, January in 2023, almost 27%, 26.81 on the left-hand side, you can see that. In January, over 40%, in February, I mean, over 40%, in March, 18.7%, in April, 34%, in May, 30%, in June, 69%, in July, 57%, in August, 38%, September, 41%, and in October, 33%. And it's fine. I was like, oh, wow, the really good results. I'm happy. I would definitely want to drop some money in. I would like you to trade for me. But now what can we show to the people, you know, because PDF like this, I can ask my cousin, she can draw it herself, like 5 years old, right? Like PDF, anyone can basically fake or do whatever. So I was asking them, what can they provide? What else can they provide to make sure that the people believe in it, you know, because we have been through so many different bullshit companies that not many people want to believe it. So they are like, okay, so what can we show? I'm like, simple, just show people the trading. That's what we want to see. If we put money in, I want to know what's happening with my money. I have $100,000. I want to see if your trader is performing or not. So they are like, okay, in crypto, very simple solution. Every single crypto exchange that we operate on, whether it's Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, Huobi, OKX, every single exchange, every single crypto exchange has a feature to generate API key, something called API key. You generate it on exchange, you can take it and you can connect it to your external software, whether it's your crypto wallet, whether it's your ledger or back office, like ours in Trade Like Crazy. They connected the entire Bybit account of the main trader Travis with our back office in a section traders. We can go to traders. There's one trader at the moment because fund is not as big as we would like it to be yet. So anyway, trader Travis has been connected to our back office since beginning of December. And every single transaction that Travis opened since beginning of December, we can see, we can verify, we can open the chart. The chart is live from Bybit. Those of you who are in the US need VPN to access it because Bybit is not available in US. So you won't be able to see this live view from Bybit. But anyway, I can show it to you. I'm in Canada at the moment. So the chart shows you exactly where transaction was opened, where transaction was closed, entire chart. You can see the type of transaction, long or short, entry price, entry date, exit price, exit date, margin means how many % of the capital they used, and the profit that trader has generated. I like to show this transaction, EGU USDT. It's pretty big one. It was like second day after they implemented live trading. Travis opened EGU USDT with 2% margin, which basically means he risked 2% of the entire capital and he was able to generate 500% profit. 2% multiplied times 500%, 10%. Risking only 2% of the entire capital, Travis generated 10% of the entire fund. Second day of the live trading, okay? And the thing with crypto exchanges, they provide proofs, and that's what Bybit provides for us too. Every single transaction happens, Bybit sends us basically photo, right? Like on Binance, on Huobi, KuCoin, exactly the same situation. Once we execute the transaction, the exchanges show us proof like this, basically the photographic proof. We can see every single transaction, whether it's winning transaction, as we can see here, EGU USDT, 500%, leverage 20x, ROI was 500, where it was open, where it was closed. And every single transaction until now, until today, we can see even losing transactions. We have losing ones too. Yes, guys. For those of you who are in the programs where there are only winning transactions, pack your bags and run, because in our world, there is no trader. Doesn't matter how good one. Even in Ray Dalio's hedge fund, the best trader has some losing transactions, okay? In our world, no one is perfect and there are always some losers. As far as the company is profitable over the longer period of time, I think I'm good. And I think for those of you experienced one, you will be good too. For me, even if 1 month wouldn't be profitable or would be less profitable, I wouldn't cry about it. As far as they are profitable for a longer period of time, as far as they let us run for these 2 years and they accomplish their goals, because that's the main reason of this company, to build this copy trading platform, have this community to transfer there. You can track every single transaction yourself, okay? I'm not gonna go one by one, but as you can see, some are winners, some are... Recently, we have a side trending market, so there is no many opportunities, but you know, they are pulling out some profits, like little ones, some little losses. Yesterday was some little ones as well, 70, 20. 2 days ago, a little bit bigger ones. You know, market conditions change, right? So we need to adapt, and we need to understand that not every single day will be 500% transactions. Okay, so we have a live trading connected. So we have a trading history, live trading. We know what's happening with our money. And third one, I like to know if the company founders are doxed, which in crypto world means if they are transparent. And here, CEO Armen Sargsyan, proper business guy, knows some marketing guy, knows some internet personality, proper business guy with traditional businesses, half Armenian, half Polish. CMO, very young lady, finished university in Korea, marketing university in Korea. She's doing Zooms 3 times per week for the public people. Armenian lady, and then master distributor, a good friend of mine from the country where I was born, Polish guy. poll hits. Okay, so we have every single person visible. They have no problem coming to the Zoom. They have no problem being in front of the people, of course, as the time allows. Okay, so I think I was pretty happy from what I've seen and everything they have provided. They have provided it as well to all of you guys, because it's not only about us, right? You want to show it to the people. And the thing is, we all can show the same to the people. We all can show them that the company actually is doing what they're doing. And at least they have a good strategy, because all of us know that this company is not going to last forever unless they actually have a plan in place. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for listening to my presentation. And now I let you all unmute.